any outdoor emergency, quick signaling, warmth, and orientation can be life-saving. Introducing the Luxo Gear Safety Whistle, a 5-in-1 survival tool designed for camping, hiking, fishing, and emergency preparedness. It features a 120 decibel loud whistle for long-range alerts, a reliable compass for navigation, and a durable fire starter with a ferro rod and striker to help you stay warm. The 360-degree swivel keychain hook and quick-release lanyard ensure convenience and tangle-free access. Built tough and compact, it's ideal for scaring away animals, signaling for help, or starting fires in survival situations. Whether for you or a loved one, this tool boosts safety and peace of mind outdoors. Personal safety demands a quick, reliable response in moments of danger. Introducing the WZU Safety Alarm, a compact, rechargeable self-defense device designed for maximum protection with advanced emergency features. It features 2 emergency modes, an ultra-bright LED strobe light, and a drop switch that prevents attackers from disabling it. The anti-reset buckle ensures the alarm stays active, while sound synchronization allows rescuers to track the user's movement. Its anti-muffling and sound amplification design boosts volume through reflective surfaces for greater range. The emergency instinct pull cord enables fast activation under stress. Ideal for jogging, nighttime running, travel, home office, and for women, men, the elderly, and individuals with visual impairments. This alarm ensures safety is always within reach. Irritation from insect bites can disrupt your comfort, especially during travel or outdoor activities. The Medisana Insect Bite Healer offers quick, chemical-free relief from itching and swelling caused by insect bites and stings. Using targeted heat delivered through a ceramic plate, it soothes the affected area and promotes a comfortable healing process. With 2 adjustable programs, one for sensitive skin and one for normal skin, it ensures safe use for everyone, including children and pregnant women. Completely free from chemicals, it's a safe and natural solution. Its compact, portable design with a carrying strap makes it ideal for travel, camping, and everyday use. A must-have gadget for itch relief anytime, anywhere. In outdoor adventures or emergencies, having a reliable digging tool can make all the difference. Meet the Dartmoor Camping Shovel, a 46-centimeter portable survival tool built for digging, sawing, chopping, and entrenching. Made from high-carbon steel, it features rust resistance, anti-deformation, and sturdy serrations for cutting through tough terrain. The foldable design, storage bag, and lightweight build make it easy to carry and store. Its reinforced cutting blade handles gravel and compact soil with ease. Perfect for backpacking, camping, gardening, snow clearing, or vehicle recovery. This shovel locks firmly in place for maximum safety and efficiency, an essential tool for survival, emergencies, and outdoor readiness. Creating a safe, warm fire outdoors shouldn't be bulky or complicated. Meet the LUK-VCIY Portable Fire Pit, a 42-centimeter foldable outdoor fire pit designed for camping, picnics, backyard bonfires, and more. Built with durable stainless steel and a cross-structured frame, it offers excellent stability and load capacity for all fire sizes. Its heat-resistant mesh prevents ash from falling and is easy to clean and reusable. The tool-free assembly with detachable legs makes setup simple and efficient. Lightweight and compact, it includes a carrying bag for easy transport. This portable fireplace is perfect for hiking, fishing, mountaineering, and outdoor barbecues, ensuring warmth and convenience anywhere.